Hello everybody, my name is EnvyAM, part-time VTuber, part-time grocery store worker, and part-time cross-country athlete. Today I would like to show you all how to set up one of the most, if not the most, fun, useful, and amazing Twitch extension to add to your stream, to add a little bit more spice to the soup and let your viewers engage a little bit more. So first you'll want to navigate over to your Twitch channel page. Then you'll want to press your profile icon in the top right corner and head over to Creator Dashboard. Once you're here, you're going to head down to Extensions on the left-hand side. Head over to My Extensions. Now here on Discovery, you're going to type in Pokemon Community Game in the search bar. Go and hit Add right there. So essentially what you want to do right here is exactly what this red screen tells you. Activate and set as panel number 1. And now you'll want to head over to your roles manager underneath the community tab, and in the search bar you want to find the Pokemon Community Game Twitch channel and add it as a moderator for your stream. Click save, lock in your changes, and there you are. Now you should have the Pokemon Community Game in your Twitch chat. And so now for those of you who would like to play the Pokemon Community Game on your mobile device while you're watching your favorite streamer, I'm going to be using my personal favorite VTuber for this demonstration, the lovely Tippy Hendrix, during her cooking stream. Now what you would want to start to get started playing is you do exclamation point, Pokestart. And that will give you a trainer pass and a starter Pokemon, but I have already done that, so it didn't pop up for me. Next thing you're going to want to do is press on the Pokemon Community Game icon up at the top here. And here you'll be able to view your Pokemon. You click on the bag icon, it shows you your items and an item shop you can use. And now this is very important. If you'd like to battle, whether it's ranked battles, private battles, stadium battles, or gym battles, you'll need to select the team. However, if you don't have a team, it will look something like this. So to add a Pokemon to your team, you head over back to the PC box icon, select a Pokemon, we have Ninetales here, and press the crossed swords icon, and then you can add that Pokemon to a slot in your team. You do the same thing, rinse and repeat. You'll have yourself a team in no time. Once you have your team selected, you can battle. I'm going to choose a stadium battle. These are PvE battles. Whether you win or lose, you'll gain rewards based on how well you do. We're gonna go easy for this demonstration, because I am not cracked at the Fortnite. The moves your Pokemon have are not entirely accurate Pokemon moves. For instance, I believe I have a Ditto that knows Night Slash and has a bunch of random moves, but does not have Transform. It is what it is. If you'd like to surrender, you press the little flag icon and press surrender, which is what I'm doing for this demonstration because I don't feel like waiting through an entire battle. Now there is a timer on it, but if you select one of your Pokemon that you don't like, you can actually Wonder Trade it for a new Pokemon. There's a cooldown on Wonder Trades. You can only do it once every 3 hours, unless you have this item called a Wonder Pass, which will refresh the cooldown. Now once every 15 minutes or so, a wild Pokemon will appear in the Twitch chat. And when it does, what you want to do is do exclamation point, Pokecatch, followed by the specified ball you want to use to catch the Pokemon, whether that be an Ultra Ball, a Great Ball, or a Pokeball. However, if you just leave it as Pokecatch, it will automatically use a Pokeball. If there isn't a Pokemon in chat, however, it will say the Pokemon has already escaped. Also, don't tell her I said this, but Tippy is not the greatest at cooking. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I really hope this tutorial helped. There are many more things and many more in-depth tutorials that you could watch to further your understanding of just exactly how much you can do with this little game and Twitch extension. However, I thought I would just go over the basics because I don't fully understand everything about it myself. I hope you all have a wonderful and lovely rest of your days, your nights, and your everything in between. And I can't wait to come watch all your streams and catch all the Pokemon in your chat.